Hi, this is a quick demo of Archie AI. We make it extremely simple for a developer to onboard to a code base. And we do that by providing two major paths. First is to understand the code base, that is through summary, file heat map, you can understand the dependency and create a mental model. And second is we help you make the first commit. There is nothing like learn by doing. So for this demo, let me pick a repo, which in this case is sloth CLI. Now, once I pick this repository, the first thing I can do is to look at summary. Now, the summary provides the business context of this code base. For example, which are the top functionalities here. And for each functionality, it provides a deeper dive into how it's implemented, some critical code components. Now, I can also ask follow-up question like how is IAM scan for AWS implemented, for example, here. And meanwhile, it's coming. I can show you other visualization that help understand the code base. For example, what is the timeline view of whether how the commit has evolved? And for particular commit, for example, idea here is that you can pick a reasonable size commit. Let's say here this GCP one is a reasonable size commit and touches a lot of files. And there are suggestion on what other commits a customer can pick at. Similarly, they can look at the heat map. The logic here is that the files that change a lot are generally more core to the business logic. And then we provide certain information on which files to look at first. There are some files which change a lot but may not be as critical in the starting. Once the customer has quite a bit of some understanding on comfort with the code base, what they have to do is to go to a commit. In that case, we make it extremely simple for customers to do their first commit. They have to select a repository. And for that, we list all the GitHub issues. For this, there is just one, so I'll pick this one. I can change, provide more details. For now, just let me submit. Now, behind the scene, a lot of things happen. We download the repositories, try to create a map of what code chunks are lying where so that we can intelligently feed to LLM. Now, there is an option to smartly select the code chunk, or you could also add your own code snippets that you feel is relevant. For example, GCP1, how it's doing scanning, I think would be helpful. Now, I'll fetch those code snippets, uh, for example, this one, and then I'll hit generate plan. So once the plan is generated, I can tweak it a bit to make it my own. For example, at this time, I don't want logging monitoring or a CI/CD pipeline update, so I can delete those. And once I'm happy with the plan, I can be done and I can generate code. Now give me exact files where the changes has to be made. If it's a new file, then it tells me so. And once I'm happy with the code changes, I can just hit create commit. That's it. Thank you so much.